Hi guys, Aravind back again with one more new video. So today's topic is uh, how why you have to come out of your comfort zone and how the comfort zone slowly kills us and which makes a lot of issues in our life. So let me explain you with a small example. So there is once upon a time there is a frog, so which is found of cold water. So it lived all the time in the cold water, and one fine day a man wants to do a small exercise with this frog. So what he does, so he grabbed the frog and he put it on top of a pan with the cold water. So what happened, the frog is started enjoying because frog was already was living in a cold water. She was started enjoying it, but what happened, over a period of time the ice is started melting and it is losing its coolness. So but still frog was happy and it didn't take any action because frog was very comfortable. But what this man is dead. So he started he switched on the flame for the pan, and the water is started boiling up. So the frog is started feeling the heat, but it did not do any action because it was keep thinking that okay, I'll do it later, I'll do it later, I'll do it later. So she was keep procrastinating, and over a period of time, when the time passes, so what happened is this water started boiling. So boiling, this water started boiling and the frog is started feeling that heat, and by the time it lost all his capacity to survive or jump, because the heat is too much, so it could not do anything. And over a period of hours the frog is died. Okay, so this is a story. So if you see in this story, the frog had option when it is initially felt the warmth. It should have jumped out of the pan. It didn't do it because the frog was comfortable. The second thing is, even when it was near to it, he didn't even try because it has already lost his capacity or energy to survive herself. So same thing happens with the fitness. Let me relate that with my story. Okay, so what happens in our story, because we are so much comfortable because right now we are happy and we are happy and okay with the weight and okay with the current lifestyle. Okay, so when I was in 102, okay, life also gives you the hint points. Okay, those are the hint points. You need to take a decision. If you don't take a decision, you will go to extreme. So when I put on my weight, so the first indication for me that I am out of my a normal performance is I start getting a back pain, and I start feeling lazy, and I start feeling uneasiness. So these are the symptoms what you get when you are when you are in overweight. Okay, when you go to a overweight scenario, these are the some of the things you keep your body will be keep hinting you. But if you don't take a decision, over a period of time you keep increasing your weight, that will lead to a lifestyle disorders. It could be anything. It could be your BP, sugar. It could be any kind of a lifestyle disorder because of obesity or because of high body fat. You have a lot of other health issues, maybe you will fall into it. But even then, if you don't fix your problem, what is the problem you have to fix? You have to fix only two things. Okay, so why you put on weight is mainly because of two reasons. You are eating more than what is your body is required, and second thing is you are not active. So these are the two reasons. You are over a period of time you're gained all that additional weight because of these two reasons. And until and unless you fix this, you will not come out of it. So if you are in your comfortable zone right now, you are okay. Right now you are happy. Even I was very comfortable when I was at 102. There was no problem at all. But only thing is I had a pain, but it is bearable. So I said, okay, it's fine. Until and unless there is an incident happen and which realized me that I have to take a decision, and I started working on it, and I have reduced my weight, and I took a decision. If you don't take a decision, what happens is over a period of time, same like a frog, you lose all your capacity and you lose all your energy, and maybe that time it is too late to take a decision. So don't make your comfort zone slowly kills your own self. Okay, so you need to come out of a comfort zone and see at the end, guys, what you require to get fit. It's very simple. It's very simple and easy. You don't need a rocket science, you don't need a super foods, and you don't need some kind of a miracle. You just need to fix your nutrition. So start eating less than what is your body is required. Find out what is your body is required and start eating less than that, and create a nutritious food. Create a food which is which your body is required. Create a food with all the macronutrients. And the second thing is fix the activity. Be active throughout a day. Do any kind of activity. It's fine. So you need to just fix these two things. So you don't need to complicate too much. So hope you got what I wanted to say. And another thing is, if you are keep doing the same thing, and if you're doing same thing, you can't expect a different result. Okay, if you're doing if you're not fixing your eating habits, if you're not fixing your activity levels, and there is no miracle is gonna happen and which will save you. So the only person can save you is you. That's it. You have to take a decision, and you have to fix your nutrition, and you have to fix your activity levels, and make this as a lifestyle habits. So then you will never fall into the problem of gaining the more weight and going into lifestyle disorders. Okay, so what I wanted to say in this video, guys, come out of the comfort zone. Please give something. Please realize now. The time is now. There is no tomorrow. There is no day after tomorrow. You have to take a decision now, and take a small steps, and take a small habits, and start eating nutritious food, and start doing some kind of activity which can make you fit. So just do these two things, guys, and you will be in your best fitness, and you keep improving yourself. So that's all for this video, guys. So what I want to say in this video is, come out of the comfort zone, do something for your fitness, and take care of your health. And without proper fitness and without a health, whatever you have in your life is waste of use. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to say something about this video, please do in the comment section. And also please do share it with your friends and family. I will be back with one more video soon. And till the time, be safe, secure, and follow all the safety precautions. Wear the mask, sanitize your hands, don't go out until and unless it is emergency, and follow the social distancing, and take care of your family, guys. I will be back again with one more new video.